What's going on, guys? MikeSploit 723 here. I finally beat this fucking annoying ass thing. It took me forever. I was actually gonna quit the side mission. I was like, you know, I'll give it one more shot. It took me 25 minutes, but gotta do what you gotta do. This may be my first 3-part mission. Fuck you. Explore the rift. Yay! Clears in troops. That's a million fucking yards away. I don't think traveling is the problem. My mind. Yeah, yeah. Since you've been gone. And all you'd ever hear me say. Did you just say hail strippers? Nope, I'm not fucking with this thing. Dedicated, took the time, and murdered my mind. Boom! Yeah, that's not a good idea. I'm gonna jump off the dock. Really? You won't even let me get up? That's rude. Oh my god. Baby, I dig in. Dedicated, took the time, and my most more mine. Since you've been gone. Wow, blah 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 blah. Alright. Probably have 1 or 2 more objectives to do. Combat. Yeah, I dig that. I'll do it. Let's do it. Get poppin'. I like you. Bear walking. What is that? 10 G's? 8 G's. Win, mind over murder. Alright, that only takes like 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes usually. Like, I'm just getting clusters. Oh, fuck. This is actually a really long one. Oh, Jesus. 7 minute,
first event. How do you think it'll go today, Bobby?
Given this player's previous performances, I can only expect a great show and a big W in the win column, Zach.
I have to agree, Bobby. It seems there's nothing this contestant can't do, including outshining Zignac's own people with her own powers.
Careful what you say there, Zach. Remember what happened to us both after your breakdown at the end of the last show.
Oh, well, the Wardens have very big hands, Bobby.
Yes, they do. I'm just glad to be able to sit down comfortably with you. Well, like my 8th grade gym teacher used to say,
Oh, I hear ya.
throw is no joke.
Oh, you said that one. I hope our contestant is doing better than I am right now. Well, Bobby, seeing the president in action here reminds me of the tales about the king.
I was thinking the same thing as that. If only we had been around to see those matches firsthand.
Now, for those at home who haven't heard the stories, what do they need to know now?
This was decades ago. Signac had conquered a planet of warriors. Much like our contestant, one of them stood above the rest and challenged Signac himself. Signac threw everything he had at the man, but the king just did not stop. Eventually, Signac managed to rip the king's mind from his body and bury it deep within his own simulation. Ever since, the king has been looking to escape.
Alright, well, I go.
His revenge against our most benevolent overlord.
Well, let's
Benevolent was one of my vocab words.
Oh, King has probably driven himself insane by now. Can you imagine being locked away for so many years just for yourself and talking?
I've had that dream, Bobby. It's cold and it's dark.
Fuck.
It's lonely. It's so lonely.
Oh, there, Jack. Come on now. You're never going to get alone. Not lock around. Come on.
Lonely. So cold. Smashing performance by the contestant so far.
Smashing. I don't think I've heard you use that before.
Well, I'm trying something new. What do you think?
You know, I've always wanted an occasion to use jolly good.
Oh, I didn't hear that. A little British, are you? That's a classic right there.
Hard to pull off with an American accent, though. Like trying to use bloody.
And arse. What is up with Americans using arse?
Yeah, arse never works. I know people who use it all the time. I don't get it.
Well, some things are just mysteries, Bobby. I've been thinking, Bobby, have you seen the professor around much?
Not since the mass abduction and obliteration of the Earth, Zach.
I can't help but think he's watching over us from wherever he is, like a guardian angel.
A sick, sadistic, cat-headed guardian.
Or maybe he's hiding in the shadows with a baseball bat and a hand grenade just waiting for an opportunity to bash someone's head in and make them go boom.
A much more likely scenario, Zach.
That is what folks tune into this event for.
Absolutely. That and your stellar commentary, Zach.
Well, thanks, guy. You know, you're no slouch yourself, Bobby. I've always been impressed by your wordplay.
Well, you forced me to step up my game in order to keep up with you, Zach.
We're running out of things to say, aren't we?
We absolutely are, Zach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck. Where's a head? There's a head. Alright, I have one more place to go. Where the fuck am I going? Alright, we got a silver.
To Professor Genki's Mind Over Murder.
Zack and I would like to thank Zinyak for his continued support of the show and for sparing our lives.
Can you please?
My name's Clark. Good night, everybody.
10 minutes. Alrighty. I hope that was the last one. Knowing me, probably not. Alright, I can make that in time.
Soon you will be able to say you have done all my tasks for me. After you come talk to me again, that is.
Okay.
You have done well. Now I will no longer be the cause of you not completing all the tasks available for you to do. Here is your immediate reward as well.
Pleasure doing business, I think. Alright, Sid, here's the deal.
You need me to ravage you.
Maybe.
Don't worry. I'm fully equipped to pleasure.
Alright, guys. Let me boot out my romances. Where the fuck? Alright, I guess we'll go to the,
That's really not going to work for me. I hope you understand.
Alright, guys. Wait a sec. Okay. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.